We're kind of doing Vlogmas a little bit differently this year. Are you happy to be here? Get a little bit taller. And it feels so weird to say that. I actually think the audio is decent with this camera, right?
Right.
We made it to Tennessee and $30 shop credit. Happy Vlogmas Day number 1. It feels so weird to say that because it's actually November 24th. So I'm starting Vlogmas out a little bit early this year because I know that there's going to be days in December where it's going to be a little bit harder for me to edit, upload, all that fun stuff. So I just figured I would get super far ahead and then I wouldn't have to worry and stress about it. So we're kind of doing Vlogmas a little bit differently this year, but I hope that's okay. There's still going to be videos every day, and I think that's the important part of this. I just needed to get a head start. I really debated I went back and forth with this, and finally I was just like, this is it. This is my decision. This is what we're doing. So here we are. Vlogmas in November. So before we get too far into today's vlog, I wanted to mention that we are doing another giveaway. This time there's only going to be one winner. It's going to be $30 shop credit to my shop. And every day there's going to be a question of the day somewhere throughout the video. So you have to make sure you watch the whole video to find the question of the day. And you'll just leave your answer to the question of the day and you'll be entered to win in like a drawing. So just because you comment doesn't mean that you're going to win. It just means that you'll be entered into a drawing at the end of December. Well, actually, technically it'd be the beginning of January because 1, I want to give people time to comment on every video, and 2, I will be on vacation, so I want to make sure that I can just do it when I come home, and I go through and I check every video and I make sure that you've commented on every video, and then your name is entered into a drawing and I draw names, and yeah, that's how that works. So that is going to be every single day in Vlogmas. There will be a question of the day. So I guess we'll start out right now. The question of the day that I have for you guys is, what questions should I ask for the question of the day? So, you know, maybe your question will be featured as one of the questions of the day during Vlogmas. So leave it in the comments below what you guys think I should ask every day. That is the question for today. Go ahead and comment for a chance to win $30 shop credit. Moving on into today's vlog, we have a lot of cleaning and packing to do. We are leaving around 1 o'clock to go to my family's house for Thanksgiving. Like I said, it's the day before Thanksgiving. So I need to pack, I need to clean the house, and I need to clean out my car. And then I also just need to double check inventory on the website because Black Friday is coming up, so I want to make sure all of that is good. But thankfully I got all the other stuff done for Black Friday. Like, I'm feeling really, really good about it. So that is good. If you guys watched any of the other vlogs in November, you probably saw all the crazy things I was doing for Black Friday, just like prepping for it and such. But yeah, that is what we are doing today. So we're gonna get back to it, and I'm just gonna start cleaning and packing and doing all the things.
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love there's always a way. And oh, this time of year we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow
Okay guys, don't mind my, my mess of hair here. Finished packing, so we got that done, checked that off. Oh, thank goodness. I'm just gonna worry about vacuuming the floor, taking out the trash, and making sure all the dishes are good. Everything else will be fine. I probably should have started cleaning last night when I was done working, but I didn't, and that was my bad. I'm just gonna take a thumbnail real quick because I really wanna make it a point to remember each day to take a thumbnail for my videos instead of just doing screenshots of the videos. I'm trying to up my YouTube game. I actually bought some new YouTube gear, which I'll show you guys in just a little bit, but first, I'm gonna get my thumbnail. Okay, so my new YouTube gear, I got this little microphone for my camera. I actually think the audio is decent with this camera, but I really wanted to try this out. So my camera is the Canon M6 and it has the flip up screen, so I can't put a microphone on top, but I can put it on the side. So I've kind of done some research. I've wanted this for, gosh, at least a year, if not longer. So I finally picked that up. And then I also got this small, it's pretty heavy, but this smaller tripod, because the tripod that I have my camera on, it only, like, it doesn't extend, but this one can like get a little bit taller, smaller than this one. So I wanted something that was still small that I could just like prop up on my desk or wherever and just get better shots. So I got these two things. I'm going to be taking them with me this weekend as I continue to Vlogmas videos. So yeah, we're gonna try out this gear in Vlogmas and see how we like it. I used this lens yesterday for my sit down video that's coming out today. So hopefully you guys like it. I do like this lens, but I definitely need to practice with it more. And then this is my old lens that was on this camera, but it's kind of screwed up. So I think I might just get a new one and then have 3 lenses for this camera and then this stuff. So yeah, so we have packed. I need to do a couple of things for my shop, such as like go through the inventory, update some shipping times. I need to do that and then clean out my car and then just continue cleaning until James is ready to go. So let's go ahead and do the shop stuff. Did all the inventory stuff, so now I quickly need to pack Dixie's things, finish packing any last minute things I have, make some lunch, gather the trash, vacuum real quick, and then clean out the car, and I think we're ready to hit the road. We're trying to get out a little bit early just because it is the day before Thanksgiving, one of the most traveled days of the year. All right guys, the car is packed. We are ready to go. We have at least 7 hours, but probably more like 8 or 9 with traffic today. But we are getting on the road probably 30 minutes earlier than we had originally planned. We're gonna do it. We're gonna go to Tennessee and have Thanksgiving. Right?
Right.
I will check in with you guys later. I can't vlog and drive, and James is working, so we won't be vlogging actually driving, but we won't get there at like midnight tonight, hopefully, fingers crossed. So I'll be able to vlog when we get there. So I'll see you guys in Tennessee. Okay guys, we made it to Tennessee. It is 9:30 here, which means it's 10:30 back home. And we left around 12:30. We had to make a couple stops on the way, well, in our area before we left. So we didn't technically end up leaving until 1:30 our time. So I feel like it took us like an extra hour to an hour and a half maybe, but that's not too bad considering the fact that it's like the most traveled day of the year. But we made it. We are here. We are wrapping up Vlogmas Day number 1. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'm really excited about tomorrow's video because we are doing some Christmassy things. So I'm really excited about that. And I'm going to take you guys along with us. But we need to go to bed so we can get up early and do all these Christmassy things. So, guys, look at this dog. Hey, are you happy to be here? Anyway, so we're gonna wrap up Vlogmas day number 1. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up for me. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas day number 2.